Are you overwhelmed by grocery shopping as a diabetic? You're not alone. Many face this challenge. Today, we will empower you with knowledge. Let's build a diabetic grocery list together. First, understand why a grocery list matters. It helps make better food choices. It can stabilize blood sugar levels. A well-planned grocery list is essential for your health. Begin by categorizing your list. Focus on whole foods. Prioritize vegetables, fruits, proteins, and whole grains. Keep in mind portions and sugar levels. Start with vegetables. Leafy greens, broccoli, and bell peppers are great options. Choose fresh, frozen, or canned without added sugars. Next, move to fruits. Berries, apples, and oranges are diabetic friendly. Always prefer whole fruits over juices. Now, let's discuss proteins. Include lean meats like chicken and turkey. Eggs, beans, and fish are nutritious choices too. They help maintain energy and muscle. Then, consider whole grains. Brown rice, quinoa, and oats are excellent alternatives. They have more fiber and nutrients than white grains. Next, look at dairy options. Choose low-fat or unsweetened dairy products. Greek yogurt and plant-based milk can be good choices. Include healthy fats in your list. Nuts, avocados, and olive oil are beneficial. They support heart health and keep you satisfied. Stay clear of processed foods. Read labels carefully for hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Avoid soda and sugary snacks. To summarize, creating a diabetic grocery list is manageable. Focus on whole foods. Fill your cart with vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Now, take action. Grab a pen, make your list, and hit the grocery store. You're now equipped to make better food choices for your health. Your journey towards a healthier lifestyle starts today.